Hi all. In current digital transformation era, more and more organizations see API management as an important step in becoming digital. API Marketplace enables the connection between producers and consumers of APIs by involving technology, business, and human aspects. Today we are going to demonstrate the API management using WSO2 API Manager. Before looking into WSO2 API Manager, let's see the components comprising one of the WSO2 API Manager. WSO2 API Manager contains multiple components such as Publisher, Developer Portal, Gateway, Key Manager, etc. One of our customer came to us with a problem regarding publishing Boomi API into WSO2 and set up the API management, in order to perform extensive API management and monitor to help its application developers or customers for easy access and onboarding. As part of the solution, our organization implemented APIs in Dell Boomi and performed the API management using the WSO2 API Manager. In this video we will demonstrate the API management using WSO2 API Manager. Now we are seeing how an API implementation process which comprises of multiple stages such as design, secure, publish, etc. Now we are seeing the API implementation steps. Now let's jump into the demo. For this demo we are going to use an employee services API which is designed on Dell Boomi. Now let's validate the API in Dell Boomi platform. Here you can see the Get Employees resource is working fine. Here I am going to download the Swagger spec file for publishing in WSO2 API Manager. Now let's create a proxy API using Publisher Portal. To create a proxy API, click on Add New API button and choose Swagger file option. And click on Start Creating. Here you can see the API proxy is created successfully. Now let's browse the API in Developers Portal. Here you can see the Employee Services API. To access the API, developer needs to sign up and subscribe to API. Now let's sign up as an app developer and provide the appropriate details and click on Sign Up. Now let's log in using the app developer credentials and create a new application. Now subscribe to the API with the newly created application. Once the subscription is done, we need to generate the access tokens. To access the API, we have used this access token. Now let's test the API, navigate back to the Employee Services API and choose the API Console tab, and then click on a resource to test the API. Here click on Try It Out button and execute the API. You can see that API is working. Now let's check the API in Postman using the access token as authorization. Here you can see the API is working as expected. That's all for this video. For any queries, please reach us at vijay.reddy@eaiesb.com.